Mahad in Raigad district of Maharashtra is one of the worst affected due to the incessant rainfall in the last few days. More than 40 people have died due to landslides here, while many more are still missing. Republic's Yesha brings us this report.
We are at this particular location at Mahad. Now, Mahad is one of the places which has been affected because of the floods. Right behind me, you can see this entire area was flood affected. It was below the water. It was submerged in water. Right now, you see people are cleaning their houses because this entire area was submerged in water. You can also see behind us, right, there are vehicles which were submerged in water. There is actually a tempo which has toppled actually inside this water right now. In fact, until yesterday, this entire area was in water. Now that the water is subsiding, we can also see that there is a river right behind this which is flowing above the danger mark. Right now, the situation here is such that most of these places are out of electricity. There is no water supply, there is no electricity in these places. Right from here is when you move ahead, and this is where the entire flooding has started. This is the entire Konkan area. Now, from Mahad is where the Konkan area begins, and beyond this is the Talaigaon, where there has been a landslide that has taken place, causing the death of more than 30 people. So these are the places in Maharashtra which are currently affected by floods. According to the official figures released by the CMO, more than 70 deaths have been reported in the state as of now. In fact, in a few minutes from now, we see CM Uddhav Thackeray visiting the landslide spot at Talai, which is very close to here, approximately, say, a 40 minutes drive from here. But right now, considering the fact that this entire situation in these places are badly affected, transportation has become a problem as well as communication is an issue. NDRF team right now is working at 3 spots, that is at Raigad, Ratnagiri and Satara, to get the situation under control because landslides have taken place at 3 places.